2021 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, HID headlights, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, auto climate control, keyless entry. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.